Introduction. In the quest for improved physical performance and overall well-being, dietary supplements have gained popularity among individuals seeking a competitive edge. Alpilean supplement is one such product that claims to enhance energy levels, support weight loss, and promote overall vitality. This essay delves into the ingredients of Alpilean, explores their potential benefits, and critically analyzes the existing scientific evidence surrounding the supplement. Alpilean is a dietary supplement that combines a proprietary blend of natural ingredients to purportedly boost energy levels and aid in weight management. Key components may include caffeine, green tea extract, citrus aurantium, forskolin, and L-tyrosine. These ingredients are believed to work synergistically to increase metabolic rate, enhance thermogenesis, suppress appetite, and support fat oxidation. The effectiveness of Alpilean lies not only in the individual properties of its ingredients, but also in their synergistic interactions. When combined, the ingredients may exert complementary effects, amplifying the overall impact on energy levels and weight management. Caffeine. Caffeine is a well-known stimulant that can enhance alertness, improve focus, and temporarily boost energy levels. It also possesses thermogenic properties and may increase fat oxidation, potentially aiding in weight loss. Green tea extract. Green tea extract contains bioactive compounds, such as catechins and caffeine, that have been associated with increased energy expenditure, fat oxidation, and metabolic rate. Additionally, it possesses antioxidant properties and may have a positive impact on overall health. Citrus aurantium. Citrus aurantium, commonly known as bitter orange, contains synephrine, a compound that has been suggested to promote thermogenesis and suppress appetite. However, more research is needed to establish its efficacy and safety. Forskolin. Forskolin is derived from the plant Colleus forskolii and has been studied for its potential to increase lean body mass and promote fat loss. However, the scientific evidence regarding its effectiveness is limited and conflicting. L-tyrosine. L-tyrosine is an amino acid involved in the production of neurotransmitters, including dopamine and norepinephrine. It is believed to support cognitive function, reduce stress, and enhance mood, which may indirectly contribute to improved physical performance. Potential benefits of Alpilean. Increased energy levels. The combination of caffeine and green tea extract in Alpilean may provide a temporary energy boost, enhance alertness, and combat fatigue. However, the effects may vary among individuals, and tolerance to caffeine can develop over time. Weight management support. Alpilean's ingredients, particularly green tea extract and citrus aurantium, are believed to have thermogenic properties and may aid in weight management by increasing metabolic rate and fat oxidation. However, the magnitude of these effects and their long-term sustainability require further investigation. Scientific evidence and research. Efficacy of individual ingredients. Several ingredients in Alpilean, such as caffeine and green tea extract, have been extensively studied for their effects on energy expenditure and weight management. However, the scientific literature on the complete formulation of Alpilean as a supplement is limited. Clinical studies on Alpilean. To date, there is a paucity of well-designed clinical trials specifically assessing the efficacy and safety of Alpilean. The available evidence primarily relies on individual ingredient studies and extrapolation of their effects when combined. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.